A microwave situated above your stovetop usually has filters to keep grease from being sucked into its air circulation system. It's recommended that these filters be cleaned once a month. To clean them, use a least abrasive scrubber you can and no harsh chemicals. A good method involves soaking the filters for a few hours to loosen the grease. Then use a toothbrush to remove the larger, more stubborn particles. Finally, wipe any remaining grease from the filter and dry before replacing. Take your time to explore the fastening mechanisms of these filters so you can reinstall them correctly. To replace the light bulb, remove the light cover with a screwdriver. And carefully pull the bulb from the socket. You may need to use a towel or glove if the light bulb is hot. Consult your microwave user manual for the correct bulb to use.